If you're involved in an auto accident or car wreck, it is okay to drive away and not tell the police and not tell your insurance company. My name is Matthew Carroll. I'm the principal agent at Kentucky-Bred Insurance. And today we're going to talk about that situation. You've gotten in an accident and you'd really like to get out of there and for no one to know. It's common. A key thing to remember here is that most everyone watching this video has been in some type of an accident in their lifetime. Whether it's your fault or the other party, it is likely that you will find yourself in an accident situation. So if you get out your proof of insurance out of your wallet, your glove box, wherever you keep it, if you look at the back, it tells you some information. It says if you're involved in an accident, to call the police and to change insurance information with the other party and to notify your insurance company. Now that's a lot of work, and it gets the ball rolling in a bunch of different directions, and there will be an accident on both of your insurance histories, if not one of you at least. And there are situations where it's okay to avoid all of that. So let's talk about that. There are two key pieces here that is necessary for this to be okay. First and foremost, no injuries. No one can be hurt. If anyone is hurt, throw this video out of the window and follow those directions we talked about a minute ago. But it is very common for there to be an accident where no one is injured at all. It's just a simple paint swap. Okay, so the first one, no one is injured. The second key piece to this video is that both or all parties involved agree. If one of you are adamant about sticking around at the scene, calling a police officer and get a formal report and calling insurance, then you need to do that. You really do. Both parties need to be comfortable with this. Otherwise, you could find yourself in more trouble than this is worth. So take this advice carefully and follow those rules. However, very, very commonly, people are involved in accidents. There are no injuries, and there are very little, if any, damage to both or either vehicle. Both of you are looking at each other, and you say, hey, can we just go about our separate ways? And if both of you agree, then do it. It avoids a lot of hassle. It avoids a lot of wasted time, and it avoids having an accident on your insurance history, which typically leads to rate increases, which no one likes rate increases. Another idea is that if you drive an older vehicle and it's already got some existing damage, if this incident just simply adds another dent to the collection and the other party is in a similar situation, it just adds another dent or scrape to their collection, then it's quite all right to simply, leave the scene and not call the authorities. Two things to remember is that no one can be injured, no injuries whatsoever, and both parties have to agree to this. If one of you are uncomfortable in the situation and you'd rather go through a more formal route, then it is important to do so.